fence. The M4 make boy disappear. Bullet running on your brain, Freddy Cougar nightmare. AK rise it higher, man them violate. Rise my gun them higher, crossing over. I'm them violate, rising gun them higher. 9 anniversary, go baby. Fuck them. We don't like chat, we don't beg friend. Cash money bling bling. 2 girl 1 time call me pimpin'. Yeah. Boomland hillside. Yeah. We lock tongue dog west side. Yeah. Cash money bling bling. 2 girl 1 time call me pimpin'. Fuck hot, man steamy. Top trend, then he should Google me. He telling girlfriend, please don't listen to me. But she love it when me dance and sing to she. 2-9 man 2K, snap them too quick. When me shot a movie, everybody get a clip. Call all a link in, all lesson run a cook. The 40, the Ingram, the big AK spit. Fuck them, we don't like chat, we don't beg.
Reaction.
What's poppin' into Mr. Boy Terrible, aka the reaction. And we're back in the video for you guys. People comment and this video to see your comment right over there. So like right over there in the next video that I post. And if you haven't watched the first video that I posted today, or maybe yesterday, we're posting every single day starting today. Today is the 2nd of August, people. You understand me? And starting today, we're posting every single day, straight back till whenever. Yeah, man. Right now, we have a song called Moses. Toppy Boss. Official audio. People, song come out 14 hours ago at the time of this recording. Let's get 1 million likes on this video right now. You see me, I say, let's see if this video can get more likes than the official Bumbleclat audio. So like the video. No, Bumbleclat, no. Right,
DJ production.
Big up KJ.
Tell them run come. F them body deep in the drain. Tell them run come. My walk different. Yeah. Badging left from the key, left them burn pan cement. Marrow splash. The table ornament, kill it for the top. That on my crime makes sense. Make boy stick to the ground like a yard fence. The M4 make boy disappear. Bullet running on your brain, Freddy Cougar nightmare. AK on it on North Pole disappear. Reappear cold, this kind of dog disappear. Many times them ready started. You head the target.
Man, where's a Bumbleclat gunshot? Boom. The dog said anytime when they already started, people think of Bumbleclat TikTok this. They think of Bloodclat Instagram Reels this. A Bumbleclat badness are going right now in the Bumbleclat Jan shop. Run through.
Moses ain't can your head up at it. Rock City dogs we do the party. We big bad and brave. Big bad and brave. Can't beat it like a slave. We big bad and brave. Can't beat it like a slave. All of my rifle time. Big ones me have ones with small. 7.62 break down your wall. If them pussy them feel it around.
Bumbleclat connector to be boss and I say, but the song you have Corona right now, we need a mask for that one. We not ramp with that one are different. We don't want to catch it. We don't want to catch it right now. See there, I saw we react to that one right now. We don't want to catch it. Run it.
Boy, them easy for day. Young city man pell bullet in a head. Them boy, them a walking day. When me clap the bike out, left him on the ground like I come on the disrespect him. Heat up blood like Milo, this a mass murder. Please don't tell me about no high low. The Quattro Cinco, bullets spin him like a circle. My Steve Urkel, badness them no. The SK have a slide jump like her. Smoke in the purple, me move slow like a turtle. Anybody run up get bullet hurry. Anytime them ready started. You head the target. Moses ain't can your head up at it. Rock City dogs we into the parking. We big bad and brave. Big bad and brave. Can't beat it like a slave. We big bad and brave. Can't beat it like a slave.
No, Paul, the Bumbleclat, you know best I enjoy the Bumbleclat. Hey, if you watch a Bumbleclat reaction video right now, I want to leave 1 million likes on the video right now. Like the Bumbleclat video. And there's one thing I'm asking for the people. May I calm down the energy for that one. People, the rest are all know me no reach 10k followers on Instagram yet. I want everybody watching this video right now to go follow me on Instagram, dog. Gonna shout me out, dog. Share my thing, dog. Repost everybody, dog. We are cherish 10k followers on the gram, people. We are currently 1,600 away from 10k. So everybody who watches this video right now, go follow me right now. It's right here, Tariq Vlogs. Go on Instagram, follow me, share my page for story, make a repost every single body, dog. You see me, I say, we are trying to get tied to 10k. Even you, Mr. Toppy Boss the Great, go give me a share, dog. Everybody I watch the video, dog. Share the Bumbo clip video, dog. You see me, I say, promote the reaction boss on Instagram, dog. Because I can't understand. We have 50,000 subscribers on YouTube over the side here. We have 10k over the side here. I wanna have 10k on Instagram yet, dog. Run go give me a one follow up on the gram, dog. Tariq Vlogs. You didn't write this, so. You see me, I say, if you want girl, the pump will get wet set speed. You see me, I say, if you want dog, you're a real G. You see me, I say, so, yeah. Run bumbo clock.
Them soul in the sky where them birds gone. Oh, yeah. Tell them run come. Left them blood in the drain where the rats gone. AJ them no bad.
dog.
Fuck them, fuck all of them. I don't care about them, fucking them. I swear to God, I murder them. Me are the bodies. Fuck them, me are the bodies.
Yeah, bumbo class for you. Let them know.
Tell them anytime them ready start it. You head the target. Moses ain't can your head apart it. Rock City dogs we into the parking.
Shout out to Rock,
big bad and brave. Can't beat it like a slave. We big bad and brave. Can't beat it like a slave. Bow!
Bow bow!
Yeah.
Bow!
Oh.
Yeah.
AJ tell them now, me are the bodies.
Be a shot. The man, all these are be a shot. The man stop them a be a shot. All these are telling them a be a bumbo clock gunshot. Bow! 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 Man, run up on the like button, set speed, and I say again, people, go follow me on Instagram. I'm telling them from now long and say, once we reach 10k, dog, I give you $100 every Friday, I give you $100 every fucking Friday. Don't believe me? Go follow me and see, dog. Every Friday, I make sure I give you $100. That girl look good enough. And you drive your own car. Your pussy boss up later, man. Let me see when they come back. Gone!